I was just sent this 8-foot flat extension cord. This thing is genius. So it's 8 foot of an extension cord. The really cool thing about it is it has a flat plug. So you don't have to worry about pushing furniture up against it. It can be all the way up against it, all nice and flat. You don't have this big cord sticking out. And even better is it actually comes with a cover. So if you did have people, pets, anything like that that you're worried are going to be near it, you can cover it up. That way there doesn't look like there's even an outlet there at all. So people can't go in and shove stuff in the outlet holes. So we're going to plug this in and you can see just how flush it is with the wall, and we'll put this cover over top of it. So here's how thin this whole cover and everything is. And this plug just sits down in these little inset grooves. And then you can just plug it in. And it is very thin against the wall. I mean, fingertip, it's very small. And then if you didn't want the cover, you can always take that cover off and then just have the whole plug as well. So this just slides right out. You get rid of that. And then you've just got your plug if you did want to have anything else sitting there. There's your full plug. And it is very thin. I really appreciate all of the features that come with this, especially with having this just to help with kids and pets. To be able to cover up that outlet, that is just a great idea. Put outlets in there. One of the really neat things is this little holder right here at the top, where if you did want to hook it into the wall, you could hook it in here, or it actually has a side hook too. So that makes that really versatile to be able to move that around and have that separate. It's a nice long 8-foot cord, so you can reach this pretty far. And then with this slim design, you are set and ready to go.